Bika achọkwa na m eju n'ododo ọzọkwa nwoke anụ akịta nna afụ vidiyo ya ebe a kịta kwunu na-achọkwa unu dara aga biko ajụbụ m ya mgbe na-asị ka ọdọ onye bụ ọgụ jebe ndị mmụọ biko na-akpụpụ TB Joshua court. But TB Joshua was the same person who told a prisoner during the time of Abacha, General Sani Abacha. Go and ask, who is the Ganga on all 9 to 10 days in a prison, in Ikoyi prison. At the end of the day, when you have no phone is here, you know, baggy the mother and bomb board and still on Kana, we had a book on. Because then the video, I don't want phone. Yenji makia we bia no bosi nketa ta maka na ajugo mi yogi ajuko ya mgbe chupu e bona se kedo onye bu ogu ngazi na be mmụọ maka na akụkọ ihe si na etikwa na eziokwu ni maka emanji maka na ihe etire mmadụ ihe ọbụla efoze maka the person they believe it. I will never believe it, neither will I succumb to it. I will always and still stand my ground. I stand with TB Joshua. Ine na ndana wana akọ gini asị ka ha na asị mana ya nọkwa na here ike ha emepekwa ọzọ mana the most ihe ya wel mi mgbe ya own problem ya ebido no why they are fighting them because they say the truth. Gịnị bụ truth? Nigeria ketu na-ekpudozi eziokwu ihu na ana unu ekpudi ya hụrụ na unu eweni ya asị glorify ya asị ka asị ebe no ya nwa na-achị mana Jehova kado no n'ime nene this video kono fi eme nchi ebe no basi nketa
faith of those involved. Which faith? I beg leave that. Go and ask them. Are you asking me? Am I a lawyer? Don't they know the way to the court? Let them go there and sue the dead. When he was alive, they did not sue him. When he was alive, they were dumb. They were not able to speak. People that have left the ministry 15 years ago, 20 years ago, 18 years ago, they are not coming out to speak. Now you think we are not mumu like you people. Do I look like mumu like you people? I'm not your Prof S gang. Okay, you people should go there and clap for him because there is among the people that organize this thing. If you now notice, I mean, Prof S has been talking about TB Joshua since last year. He has never stopped. That time, they have been cooking it. Not only one. Some pastors are involved. There was a pastor that made a prophecy on the 30th of this last month. The prophecy, he was talking directly, not even directly to TB Joshua. All those ones are part of the people that orchestrated this evil act. Where is the proof? The daughter that claimed that she is the daughter, we come and play all those ones later, Sha. Where is the mother? Where is the mother? I mean, the pikin just come out from nowhere. No mama, nobody to come and say, yes, that child is my own. He's my daughter. I really have the child for TB. You know, they think I really have the child for TB Joshua. Yes, this child is for TB. Let the mother come out. I bet she was born as a virgin. I don't know, even if a virgin Mary born and mama still born her. Where is the mother of the daughter of TB Joshua? I bet she just fly come from nowhere. You know what they think? There are important questions that you people are supposed to ask. In all this, I'm not going to live on. I'm going to ask, who is the victim? Is Bisola a victim? Is, what do you call him? Paul, what is his name? Godwill Agbona Paul, the other man. Is he a victim? I will come and play when he came to synagogues of all nations. I have the old video for here right with me here. And what drove him away from synagogues of all nations? Before he went and be preaching propaganda against the man of God, TB Joshua. I will come and play. I have the video here. That man, what is his name? Ogboma Paul, the other black man. I have the video here. I will play it now. So don't distract me. Don't tell me that God about the victim. Who is a victim there? There's nobody that is a victim there. The other lady, the other fat lady, that one, that one don't accuse Oyakilome before. That one, I get that one full documentary. Now tomorrow, now I don't want to miss them together. I get that one, even that one. As I'm talking to you, they drag the king of the country, the king of the village. They drag that one. I'm like, man, I go YouTube now. That lady where do twisting. Wait, man, I go YouTube, man, I go see as that lady. Pictures, videos, for everywhere. Scandal. She is good in blackmailing. That very black lady. Where talk say all the women were there for TB Joshua say none of them get womb. You know they think how somebody can come and tell you that no woman get womb again for there, and they are all there, and their womb they remove their womb for there, they remove pikin for their belly for there, they remove pikin for their belly, then get nurse, they get one room, whenever they operate them, they abort them, they remove pikin, and you people believe such nonsense? Are you people for real? Just imagine. And you want me to believe that with you? Somebody will just come and tell me say that in synagogues of all nations, place there for up where the old girls for the remove belly. Say all the girls where they up, nobody get womb again. And you people are believing that. Are you people for real? Please excuse me. The daughter of TB Joshua have been na angel. Now he bring the pikin come from sky. Where is the mother? Where is the mother to come and defend her daughter that yes, it's true. I gave birth to this child through TB Joshua. We want to see the mother. Not also all those packaging. A daughter we never know nothing about when this man was alive. Your father was alive. You say you were driven out of the synagogues of all nations when your father was still alive. And you did not cry out to anybody. Nobody even knows that TB Joshua has a child that is not from his wife. Nobody knows. So now you want to tell the old boy say TB Joshua and your papa. Okay, what is going to be the next? How are you not going to be added to the patrimony of TB Joshua? How are you not going to be accepted in the family of TB Joshua? How are you not going to be part of his children now that is no more? When he was alive, you did not blow alarm and say, oh, this man is my father. He drove me out of synagogues of all nations. Let the whole world come and bear me witness and see the way people will stand by you. Nobody is biased. When you talk of we Nigerians, yes, we are sentimental. But when it comes to things like this, we are not biased. People will have stood by her. But what makes her not to come out when the father was alive? To come and tell us that TB Joshua was his father, he was driven away from synagogues of all nations. Why? Pikin, we not accept the papa. We not tell anybody say TB Joshua and papa when TB Joshua was alive. So when TB Joshua don't die, okay, maybe we can go do DNA for. Oh, when I go uproot her now, you know they had to now. When I go uproot the dead body now, when I can go do DNA to confirm it that TB Joshua not really born her. What are you people telling me now? They think where is the mother of the girl? Where is the mother? We want to see the mother. Be not see their mama because nobody is talking about the mother. Nobody is even talking about the mother of the so-called daughter. So-called daughter. Nobody is talking about the mother. I've been not the person born now. Okay, me now I'm saying that it's a lie. So let her come and prove it. Yes, me I'm saying it's a lie. TB Joshua is not his father. Okay, let her come and prove it also. It's like that. It's your words against mine. You said TB Joshua is your father, and me I'm telling you it's a lie. So the only person that can prove you right now is your mother that gave birth to you. What are you people telling me? Okay, she not get mama also. Okay, what is going to happen to the mother? The mother not they exist. Are you born for real? I be okay, I should take on synagogues of all nations. Okay, I be the born for inside the church. Okay, I take back the born for inside the church. Okay, Paul saying Irish. Paul Agoma, come and show us the mother of the suppressed daughter of TB Joshua. Come and tell us who is the mother. Who did TB Joshua impregnated that gave birth to that lady? We would like to know. Me, I would like to know. Or she don't have a mother also. I will not come talk now say don't press in my man neck. You don't think we know let una to they lie. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Lies just full everywhere. Just they clap and they follow them. Say, what are you people telling me? All these things are all lies. Okay, just imagine Bisola. Bisola come on the talk say, TB Joshua will tell her, make him go the bring veggie come. Bisola, you are supposed to be arrested. You have, if that one, what you said is true, go and tell the EFCC that one. Go and explain to the EFCC where you got those virgins that you were bringing to him. Yes. Because that one is a crime against humanity. Your people are talking about TB Joshua. What of the Bisola that said that they go they bring veggie come? Small children of 11 years, 10 years, 12 years. Bisola said it with him in that documentary. No, when they go, they're not going to say that they talk, it go implicate them. They talk, they also create fame. You have already implicated yourself. You are as guilty as charged. You have committed a crime against humanity. If really you took any child less than 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, underage virgins to TB Joshua, you are as guilty as charged. And we would like to know the children, the girls that you took to him. They must still be alive now. We need more proof. We need proof. Enough of all this. Anybody can come out and say anything and they will not record it. They'll come put one sound. The sound will come be like horror film. When you come like saying horror. Oh, eh? So TB Joshua don't come to horror. Horror. Are you people for real? The people that are involved in this thing, they are not any other people but the people that left synagogues of all nations. And I will prove it.